Hello everyone, welcome back to Tom Hex channel. So today I would like to share the tutorials how to add the shortcuts on your iPhone. So shortcuts can help us to access applications quickly just by one click or just swipe into those applications place and then just 1 second and then we can open the applications. So here, how to add the shortcuts, you just open into the settings and then just go into the control center, open the control center, and then here we already have an access to add more shortcuts into our iPhone. So I already have several shortcuts that I have, which are flashlight, timer, calculator, and many more. I want to change it, so I want to remove the timer and I want to add the alarm on my shortcuts, and also I want to add a quick notes on my shortcuts, and as well as I want to add voice memos on my shortcuts. So I already add 3, and how to check it, just like drag down on the upper side of your screen, and now you already have a lot of shortcuts on it. You just need to click it 1 second and then you will generate it into the applications, right? And then open the notes, right? And that's just correct. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope it's really helpful for you. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.